on Duluth October Bridge on 16 Philip R. Clarke.
I will start up for you, Cap. Thank you for the call.
Thank you. Have a good afternoon.
Good morning, visitors. The Duluth Area Lift Bridge will be lifting to its full height of 135 feet for the arrival of the Philip R. Clarke. If you would like to see the Duluth Area Lift Bridge lift to its full height of 135 feet, I invite you to go outside at this time. Arriving in the Duluth Ship Canal is the Philip R. Clarke. The Philip R. Clarke was built in 1952 by the American Shipbuilding Company in Lorain, Ohio. She measures 767 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 36 feet in depth. She is powered by a 7,700 horsepower Westinghouse steam turbine engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots, or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The Philip R. Clarke has 23 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 46 feet by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 25,300 tons. Above her deck is a 262-foot self-unloading boom, which allows you to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,700 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Philip R. Clarke is owned by the Duluth-based Great Lakes Fleet, a subsidiary of Canadian National Railway, and operated by Key Lakes Incorporated, also of Duluth. She is named in honor of Mr. Philip Ream Clarke, longtime banker and member of the U.S. Steel Board of Directors at the time of her construction. The Clarke made her maiden voyage to Duluth in May of 1952 for a load of iron ore meant for Ohio. In 1975, she was lengthened by 120 feet at Fraser Shipyards here in Superior, along with her sister ships, the Arthur M. Anderson and Cason J. Callaway. She converted into a self-unloader by the same shipyard in 1982. This conversion decreased her unloading time from 17 hours to just 6 hours. What you just heard is known as the master salute. It's 3 long tones of the horn, followed by 2 short tones. The Clarke was saluting the aerial lift bridge, and the bridge was saluting on back. Once again, this is the Philip R. Clarke, built in 1952. She measures 767 feet in length and has a maximum carrying capacity of 25,300 tons.